Sharma. In my today's video, we are going to discuss about some troublesome prepositions. There are times when we are not sure which preposition we should use. It might be because of slight difference in their meaning or maybe quite similarity in their spellings also. So first of all, we should know about what preposition is. Preposition are the words which are used to connect different nouns, pronouns and phrases in a sentence. Basically, preposition connect करते हैं noun pronouns को phrases के साथ in a sentence. So our today's video is not about what preposition is and what is it all about. Maybe all having a basic knowledge of the preposition. We are going to discuss about some troublesome prepositions like beside and besides, between and among, differ with and differ from, because these are some prepositions in which students find very much difficulty when to use them and how to use them. So in today's video we are going to discuss about the three with full-fledged examples. Now firstly we'll talk about beside and besides. इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम आती है स्टूडेंट्स को सिलेक्ट करने में. इसका रीज़न है बिकॉज ऑफ क्वाइट सिमिलैरिटी इन देयर स्पेलिंग्स. बट यू कैन नोट डाउन द बिसाइड और बिसाइड्स में एक एस का डिफरेंस है, बट मीनिंग इनकी कम्प्लीटली क्या है, डिफरेंट है. लाइक बिसाइड का मतलब है नेक्स्ट टू, पास में हिंदी में या बगल में. बिसाइड्स का अदर देन, इन एडिशन और अपार्ट फ्रॉम, और इन हिंदी इसके अलावा. So you can see she sits beside me in the office, यानी वो ऑफिस में मेरे पास बैठती है. Besides enjoying cooking, I like reading a book when I am free. Cooking के अलावा whenever I am free, I love to read a book. So here, which is very optimum preposition to use, that is besides, not beside. And in another you can see the key hung on the wall beside the door. They are talking about next to the door. So appropriate word कौन सा है, that is beside. In this, where else did you go besides the barber shop? The person is asking a question कि where else did you go besides the barber shop? आप barber shop के अलावा कहाँ पर गए थे? So यहाँ पे appropriate word कौन सा होगा, besides. So here these are the examples which makes you clear कि आपको beside और besides कहाँ पे use करने हैं. Now we can move towards a third example. The boy who sat beside him was his son. No one besides the teacher is allowed in the staff room. Teachers के अलावा staff room में कोई भी allowed नहीं है. So there are examples which make you clear कि आपको कौन सी preposition कौन से sentence में use करनी है. Now you are very much clear कि आपको besides कहाँ पे use करना है, आप beside कहाँ पे use करना है. Now we will move towards another prepositions which are quite troublesome, that is between and among. दोनों का meaning almost same है, so difficulty आते हैं इसको use करने पे, लेकिन इसका जो usage है sentence में वो completely different है एक दूसरे से. For example, between हम use करते हैं when we use to refer two people, two places or two things. यानी हम दो लोगों के बीच में बात कर रहे हैं, दो जगह के बीच में बात कर रहे हैं, then we use between. Among हम use करते हैं when we refer to three or more than three about people, places or things. Now we'll move towards some examples. The twins share the sweets dash themselves. Twins means two. So यहाँ पे हमारा appropriate preposition यहाँ पे कौन सा होगा, that is between. The twins shared the sweets between themselves. I said dash Rohan and Isha. Here they are talking about only two people. So इन दोनों में से हमारा यूज होगा preposition between. I sit between Rohan and Isha. Third one, divide the cake dash 5 of you. Now they are talking about more than 3. यहाँ पे हमारा यूज होगा among. Divide the cake among 5 of. Now we move towards the fourth example. The old temple is hidden dash trees. Now trees वो दो किसी भी चीजों की बात नहीं कर रहे. That means it could be more than 2. So यहाँ पे हमारा यूज होगा among. The old temple is hidden among trees. Now we will discuss another pair of troublesome preposition, that is differ with and differ from. इनके यूसेज में भी, इनकी सिलेक्टिविटी में भी स्टूडेंट फेस डिफिकल्टी कि इसको कैसे यूज करना, कहाँ पे यूज करना है. I'll explain it with the example. Differ with means when you disagree with somebody else's opinions or ideas. Differ from means when you are different from someone, it means that you are unlike that person. Now, just move towards the first example. The Hindi teacher dash the English teacher on the boy's ability. So, आप देख सकते हैं there is a completely difference on the opinions of the two teachers. So, यहाँ पे हम कौन सा preposition use करेंगे? Different from और differ with. Basically, here is a clash of opinions. तो हमारा जो appropriate preposition होगा वो होगा differ with. The Hindi teacher differ with the English teacher on the boy's abilities. The last tutorial greatly dash this one. अब इस blank में कहीं पे भी opinion और idea की बात नहीं हो रही. They completely saying the last tutorial greatly dash this one means वो difference की बात कर रहे हैं. तो यहाँ पे क्या use होगा? The last tutorial greatly differ from this one. I dash my father over the value of his old car. So I and father दोनों का जो है clash है opinion का idea का over the value of the old car. So यहाँ पे हमारा कौन सा preposition होगा? Differ with. I differ with my father over the value of his old car. Fourth example, Delhi dash Chennai in many ways. Delhi dash Chennai in many ways. दिल्ली के साथ चेन्नई के साथ कोई ओपिनियन नहीं जुड़ा हुआ, तो यहाँ पे हमारा क्या यूज हो जाएगा? दिल्ली डिफर्स फ्रॉम, डिफरेंट है चेन्नई से इन मैनी वेज. आई होप इस वीडियो से आपको जो prepositions है, troublesome prepositions है like besides and besides, differ with and differ from, among and between, इसकी एक thorough understanding हुई हो. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया है and अगर आपको इससे understanding हुई तो do please subscribe my channel that is IELTS with Komal Sharma and like this video. Thank you.